This screen is your dashboard, and it is where you will track every article you have submitted. Each row shows one of your submissions. You can see the journal name, the article title, the manuscript ID, the article type, the submission date, and most importantly, the current status. Now, let's say you're coming back to the dashboard at a later time and you don't have your personal link handy. No problem, just click here. Type in the email ID you registered with, and hit Send Mail. You will receive the dashboard link in your inbox momentarily. Now head over to your email, grab that link, and come right back. Paste the link into this field at the top. Yes, the one that says copy and paste the link dot. There we go. Your dashboard is back, and you're ready to pick up where you left off. Click the yellow arrow on the right. You get a set of options for that specific article. The list includes ways to jump to other tabs and actions such as change of author and withdrawing the submission entirely. A quick note on what you can actually do here. If the article is currently at a stage that is not assigned to you, you will see everything in view-only mode. If the stage is with you, you can download files, upload updated files, and fill out and submit whatever forms are required. Two options, though, are always available no matter where the article sits: withdraw and change of author. Pick either one. Jot a quick remark in the box that opens, and your request will move to the editorial office to take it from there. Let's now pick Upload and Download. This takes you straight to the Submissions file area. Here you can see all the files attached to this article: your manuscript, the cover letter, figures, supplementary files, basically everything you have sent in. Jump to Provide Details, and you can review or update the article's information: the full title, short title, linked articles, abstract, and so on. The Review and Submit tab is where it all comes together. You get a quick audit of your manuscript plus a graphical representation of information related to the figures, tables, references, and author affiliations in your submission. This helps you focus quickly on any red flags that need immediate action. And if anything doesn't meet the journal's specifications, like an image with the wrong DPI or file type, it's flagged right here, so you know exactly what to fix. That's it. Anytime you want to check in on a submission or take the next step, just come back to the dashboard, click the arrow, and pick what you need.